Hi everyone, welcome to 10 on the 10th. This is a collaboration. I believe it's an open collab this year, 2023. It's hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick. And each month we're to make 10 Christmas items. It started off as 10 cards, but it was changed partway through the year to 10 of anything for Christmas. And partly that's because some of us have an overabundance of cards. Yeah. Anyway, what you see in front of you is 6 gift card holders. I ran out of time because I just made these this morning. I have 4 more made, 1 more in this poinsettia design, and 3 more in this poinsettia design. In the back of that paper, this paper is all is bright, as is this and this. It's a retired Stampin' Up! Paper. This paper is a let me check. Boughs of Holly, I believe. Yes, Boughs of Holly collection, also retired Stampin' Up! Paper. I'm trying to use up those 2 collections, in particular the All is Bright. I only have a couple more 12 by 12 sheets left. Now I have exactly 4 more of these poinsettias, and I do think I'm going to sparkle them up a little bit. These are really easy to make, and if you do them assembly line, which is how I started doing the last 6, these 2 plus these 4, they go really, really fast. I watched a video by, I believe her channel is To Holiday something. Let me just double check. I'll put it down below. I'll put the link down below. So my apologies to her for not knowing the channel. It popped up in my feed and I was looking for something different than cards to do, and there it was. And I have a few, just a few gift cards I'm giving out this year. So I actually went into my stash that I haven't looked at for a long time on what kind of embellishments do I have that I don't have to make. Even though I had made quite a number of these, and my original intent for these stocking ones was to use these, but they're a little bit big. They would have worked, but they're a little bit big. So I still have them. Maybe I'll use them on coordinating cards because I still have some of this paper. So anyway, these are my projects. They are belly band gift card holders. I don't have any gift cards here to slide in. I notched the inside. I can't remember if she did that or not. So this paper is non-directional. You do have to watch, like this one, it doesn't really matter, but like on the stockings, they're right side up on the front, but they are upside down on the back. And oh well, where this paper is clearly kind of non-directional, doesn't really matter, and same with this poinsettia paper. The green background paper, the cardstock I used, is another thing I'm trying to use up. And it was this Recollections green hot buy, different I'm sorry, it's not Recollections, it's Craftsmith. And it was all these different shades of green. And I have a lot of the lighter, but I'm kind of using a medium green from back here. And I think I have 2 sheets of darker. So I had one 6 by 12. The background sheet is, I can tell you, is 6 by 5 1/4. So it's 6 this way and 5 1/4 this way. And then you have to do some other cutting of the corners off and rounding and things like that. And the designer paper is 3 1/2 wide by 5 3/4 this way, and I also corner rounded it. I used my We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, and I used the 1/2 inch. Oops, 1/2 inch. This only has a 1/4 1/2. I like the 1/2 inch better, but if you want a smaller round, then you can use the 1/4 inch. So those are my projects, albeit somewhat unfinished. I have a lot of embellishment type things. Oh, I only had 2 of these Merry Christmas sparkly things. I guess they're supposed to go on packages because they have a little 2 little holes at the top, but I just glued them down with hot glue. And these stockings, they're I think those are from Hobby Lobby. And I think these are from Dollar Tree, and these had been gifted to me, these little light bulbs, and they were the only ones in red and green that I had left. I'm looking for the little stockings. I think I put them away already here. Hang on. One moment, please. Oh, and the twine I used on those is doodle twine. Here they are. Paper Studio. Yeah, it was those. And I don't know when I got them, but they were 40% off whenever I bought them. So I have not bought anything like this for a while, and I don't intend to because I have a lot to use up. Now, and I used ribbon. She put ribbon on the belly band, and I did as well. The ribbon I used was this Real Red from Real Red and Garden Green Stampin' Up! July to December 2022. It's from the Sweetest Christmas Suite. I like that because it's not a very thick ribbon. I haven't even opened the green one. I guess it's garden green. Yeah. But, because this paper was close to garden green. So I used, to put them together, I used a combination of tear and tape, hot glue, and wet glue to put this paper down. So that's my project. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to use the hashtag and see who else might have participated. I don't know if Kim at Metal Scrap and Chick is hosting this again next year or changing it up. I'm not sure. I'll have to watch her video this month if she has one. But even if she does, I probably am not going to participate, at least not every month, because I don't need 10 of anything anymore. My family is just my son and I, and my daughter, her husband, and 2 children. And they're growing. One's in her second year of college, you know. So I'm doing more things like gift cards and just um, mm, necessary presents, if you will, like clothes or whatever. The toy thing, not so much anymore. So it's kind of it's really a sign I'm getting older because you know we don't have the little ones running around anymore with it's harder to buy. Let me put it that way. All right, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas early. But I'll be back tomorrow on the 11th with embellishments on the 11th. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.